Using Apple Pay to buy Bitcoin is a convenient and secure way to invest in cryptocurrency. To get started, you need to have an Apple device with Apple Pay set up and a Bitcoin exchange account that supports Apple Pay. First, choose a reputable Bitcoin exchange that accepts Apple Pay, such as Coinbase or BitPay. Create an account on the exchange platform and verify your identity as required. Next, set up Apple Pay on your device by opening the Wallet app and adding a credit or debit card. Make sure the card is eligible for Apple Pay and has sufficient funds to cover your Bitcoin purchase. Once you have set up Apple Pay in your exchange account, log in to the exchange platform and navigate to the Buy Bitcoin section. Select Apple Pay as your payment method and enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. Review the transaction details, including the exchange rate and any fees, and confirm the purchase. You will be prompted to authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. After authenticating, the Bitcoin will be added to your exchange account wallet. It is recommended to transfer the Bitcoin to a secure external wallet for long-term storage. To ensure security, use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication on your exchange account and Apple device. Regularly review your account activity and transaction history to detect any suspicious activity. Using Apple Pay to buy Bitcoin is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. By following these steps and taking necessary security precautions, you can safely and conveniently invest in Bitcoin using Apple Pay.